introduction to the Phoenix platform that I use to do our ceramic coatings, Phoenix EOD Chronos, and also go into the details of doing how we perform our maintenance washes using their products. Let's start with our product line. Just keep the video simple. We would definitely start the product line with Apex Auto Wash. This thing is such kings. Little goes a long way and it does wonders. So most of the time I eliminate a lot of swirls by using this product because it's just really sudsy. Another product that I always used for my wheels, how to get rid of dirt, the cracking. I mean, as the name says, this thing is strong. I always use 10:1 ratio, but it depends what you want to do. I mean, you can use the Phoenix chart to, work out your dilution rates. Concentrations, not the right word. You can use that, but I always use 10:1, and that does miracles. Another product that I use from Phoenix is Titan. This is a hybrid detailer. I mean, it adds SiO2 to the existing coating, and this stuff is what I call the beating king. I mean, I always use it on my windscreens, glass, just another layer on top of the ceramic coating to keep that hydrophobic properties in the car itself, and the smell's amazing and works great. Only other product I have recently fallen in love other than Titan would definitely be BC3, but we'll probably do a video separately on that. They're both great. Another thing I do once a year for Phoenix EOD Chronos maintenance wise is that I would do a layer of Immortal. That's a 1-year coating, and I would just, depending on the paint condition, I would definitely spray a layer of this once a year just to add that extra layer of protection on top of the EOD Chronos. Not really needed if you use a Titan at home, but I like to go the extra mile and add another extra layer, so Immortal also does wonders. Now we'll just start using the product. I'm definitely starting with wheels as always, and we'll go step by step on how to perform your safe wash method for your freshly coated car with the EOD line. Alright guys, the second step is to get your buckets ready. To do a safe wash method, we always use rinse, wash and wheels. The reason you use 3 different buckets is you don't want to add contaminants from wheels to your paintwork or vice versa. Then we're going to add the Apex Auto Wash. We're going to add some for the wheels, and we're going to add some for the wash. So dilution wise, I mean, don't go overboard, but I go by the feel to it. So let's just add some in there. So look at the suds. So we start with wheels, obviously. These wheels actually are coated with EOD Chronos. Let's actually try them out. That has been coated only 6 months ago, so let's have a look at if the beating and hydrophobic is. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Beats like crazy still. Especially for a daily driven car, the fact that it holds up I'm amazed. I always try to use high temp wheel coatings, but I thought I'll try out Phoenix EOD, and the results are the same. Surprisingly, my other coatings that I have done lasted probably max 1 year, and the fact that this is not specifically designed for wheels, but it yet holds on to the wheels, it's a versatile product, which again amazes me. So let's start using the Kraken on our wheels and tires and look at the difference. So beauty of weekly maintenance is that it's so easy to use. I mean, it's just single step of brushing and using the mitts. That's the result. Look at the water beading. Soon as you decontaminate it and clean it up, and it just even improves even further. Nothing basically sticks to it. Guys, this is the pre-foam stage. I always had my pre-wash, and also add a cap of Kraken, just to add that extra cleaning strength. I'm hoping Phoenix will bring out a stronger foam wash before we actually do the contact wash. I'm sure they're working on it too, so we will give you an update as soon as we get it. So now we're gonna do a foam around the car just to loosen up dirt, so that way we can actually do the contact wash. Alright guys, now we're up to the final stage. We have done our pre-foam, decontaminated, done a contact wash, wheels are cleaned. Final stage, what I would do is to add that extra gloss and protection. If it's 1 year protection, I would go for Phoenix EOD Immortal. That's a 1 year protection, spray on, wipe off, very easy to apply. Adds that 1 year extra layer of protection. But if you don't want to go ahead or you want to go both, it's totally up to you. The more is the better. So I mean that's what I believe at least. In most of my case, because I have already sprayed this previously, I will be using Titan to add that extra layer of protection and gloss and add that extra hydrophobicity properties to the paint. So very easy to apply. All you do is you just get a rag, microfiber cloth, spray on, and do not do this on the direct sunlight. Obviously I'm contradicting at the moment, but just for demonstration purposes, you apply and you simply wipe off. And that concludes Phoenix EOD maintenance wash using their platform. What's my feedback? What's my thought on the product? I think it's great. This product is created by enthusiasts, Aaron Burkett and Mr. Papa Smurf, and Brian from Apex. I mean, these guys are enthusiasts. I mean, they're legends. They know what they talk about and they know what's needed to protect your car. So I believe in the product very much, and this is coming from actually using the product for the last 6 months. So yeah, if you do need to buy the maintenance package, I will put the links below where you can buy it in here in Australia. But do try it out. I think it's a great product.